Before buying a baking set, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Kudek Cake Decorating Kit. The Kudek 71 PC's Cake Decorating Kit is a fantastic starting point for anyone who's new to baking. Priced at $18.98, it really caught my attention with its comprehensive list of included tools. If you want to create beautiful cakes without feeling overwhelmed, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its all-in-one design, making it perfect for beginners like you. The 360 degrees spinning cake turntable is a game changer. It allows you to decorate evenly and easily, which is crucial when you're just starting out. Plus, the set comes with 12 numbered icing tips, which helps you create everything from simple borders to intricate flowers. With 13,600 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite for many. Now, some users mention that the quality of the spatulas could be better. But here's the thing, if you're just starting, these tools will get you through the basics. You can always upgrade later as you get more serious about baking. This is perfect for you if you're a novice baker looking for a complete kit. Skip this one if you're already a seasoned pro or looking for advanced tools. For the price, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if the Kudek set spatula quality worried you, the next one on my list might actually have a more premium feel. Product number 2, KOSBON 567 PCS Cake Set. Next up is the KOSBON 567 PCS Cake Decorating Kit, which is a treasure trove for any beginner baker at $34.59. This one stopped me in my tracks because of its sheer volume of tools. If you want everything you need to make cakes like a pro without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. With 567 pieces, this set includes springform pans in 3 sizes, a rotating turntable, and even a chocolate mold. The pans are non-stick and oven-safe up to 445 degrees F, which means you won't have to deal with frustrating stuck cakes. Plus, the included cake leveler and various icing tips give you the flexibility to create cakes that look as good as they taste. However, some buyers have commented that the set can feel overwhelming with so many pieces. I get that it's a lot to take in, but if you're eager to experiment and learn, this could be just the launch pad you need. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution that covers every aspect of baking. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalist approach. Given the volume of items included, the value is excellent. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a more focused set. Product number 3, Boyan 137 PCS Cake Kit. Next, we have the Boyan 137 PCS Cake Decorating Kit, priced at $20.79. Honestly, what caught my eye here was the number of tools combined with user-friendly features. If you want to make cake decorating feel less intimidating, this is worth checking out. The kit includes a revolving cake turntable, which is crucial for getting those perfect icing layers. It also has a pattern chart that clearly shows what each of the 63 numbered tips can do. This means you won't have to guess what tip to use, making your learning curve less steep. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from over 5,700 reviews, it's clear that many have found it helpful. Now, some users mention that the plastic materials feel a bit flimsy. While I understand the concern, remember that for beginners, this kit provides a fantastic way to start learning without a huge investment. You can always upgrade to more durable equipment later. This is perfect for you if you want a kit that's easy to navigate and learn from. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-grade tools right away. For the price, it's a solid entry point. If that kit's material quality bothered you, the next one has a bit more heft to it, which might be just what you need. Product number 4, RFAQK 90 PCs Kit. Next on the list is the RFAQK 90 PCs Cake Decorating Kit, available for $20.99. What really stood out to me was the supportive resources they provide, making it a great pick for beginners. If you're looking for a kit that helps you learn step by step, this is one to consider. This set includes a video course and a pattern chart that illustrates how to use each tip effectively. The 24 icing tips are also designed with beginners in mind, allowing for a wide range of designs from simple to complex. The cake turntable rotates smoothly, making it easy to decorate from all angles. With 23,800 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's a favorite for those just starting out. However, some users found the instructions in the video a bit lacking in detail. I get it, having clear guidance can make a huge difference. But if you're determined to learn, the materials and tools provided here will set you up for success. This is perfect for you if you want a kit that offers learning resources along with tools. Skip this one if you want something more advanced. At this price, it's a great value for beginners. Lastly, if you're looking for a more traditional baking set without all the decorating extras, the next option brings you that. Product number 5, HONGBAKE Bakeware Set. Finally, we have the HONGBAKE Bakeware Set priced at $35.97. This caught my attention because it focuses on the essentials every baker needs. If you want a reliable set for making a variety of baked goods, this is worth a look. The set includes 10 pieces, providing everything from cake pans to a muffin tray and a pizza pan. Plus, the wider grips are designed for easy handling, which is a thoughtful touch for both kids and seniors. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's well loved. That said, some users found the pans to be a bit on the heavier side. While that could be a downside for some, heavier pans usually indicate better heat distribution, which means your cakes could come out more evenly baked. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, multi-purpose bakeware set. Skip this one if you're focused mainly on cake decorating. For the quality and variety, the price seems fair. So there you have it. We've looked at some great options for beginner bakers, each with its unique strengths. In summary, whether you're looking for a comprehensive decorating kit like KUDEC or KOSBON, a user-friendly setup like Boyan or RFAQK, or a solid bakeware set like HONGBAKE, there's something here for everyone. Pick the one that fits your baking goals and happy baking.